I'm gonna be trying these ones. First, this purple. Ew. Yeah. 0 out of 10. I forgot to say I'm rating. Now, I just split up. Next, this yellow one. I'm throwing some of these slimes away. Not really that stretchy. 4 to 10. 5 actually. 5 out of 10. We're gonna try this one. It doesn't really look like it. It might not work because it's been in here for a while. Yeah, this is a 1 out of 10. You can still no, it's actually 0. I'm changing. Not 1 out of 10. It's 0. It's falling. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try this blue one. Wow. The best one. I know I have more, but I just lost them, and I don't know what I want. This one is a 7 out of 10. There's so much stuff that's stuck to it. Yeah, 7 out of 10. That's my final thing. The worst, there is 2 worst ones. Can there be 2 worst ones? Yeah, duh. I'm not doing part 2 if I find one, okay? Bye.